Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's me, P Mama 100, and I'm coming today with a video about waist beads. So you guys, please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to let me know what you think about the waist beads. I've long wanted to make some or even have some, but I never did because of all the negative things I kept hearing. And then finally, you know, the more YouTube grows, the more influencers get on there and the more people are talking about things like this. And so when I looked at a video where someone who was from Ghana was explaining their meaning behind it, and then other people were explaining what waist beads could be used for. And I said, okay, the safest thing for me to do is just to make my own. Because not only are they, I know they mean something to some people spiritually, and I know they mean something to some people just culturally, I'll say that. And then they just mean something to some people who just want to wear them for fashion. And I'm caught in between the weight loss version, to see how many inches I'm losing off my waist, and the fact that I think, I mean, regardless of what, I think they're sexy. I think they're really hot. And yes, at my age, I'm still trying to be sexy for my husband. But I want you guys to take a look at the video. I'm making my own waist beads, and maybe you're my age and you're not sure if this is something you should be doing. There's no age limit, baby. Look, if you want to throw you on some waist beads and look sexy and wear them for your husband, do that. If you want to throw them on because at your age you're working out and you want to know how many inches you're losing, please do that. So anyway, enjoy the video. Okay, YouTube family, I am sitting here in my pajamas, my PJs, and a blanket on me because I'm actually freezing. But I'm so sorry. This was inspired last minute. I should have filmed over the bowl. I have never done this, but I bought this bead spinner kit. And it came with this. And I'll put the price and the link at the bottom. This is a bowl. The reason I bought the bead spinner kit, because I know I'm not going to sit there and just string beads. Anything that makes it easier for me is what I wanted. So, you know, it spins, and I'll demonstrate because I had to watch video after video just to see. And it came with these 5 of these different bowls. And what these are is you can put different colored beads inside of the bowls. And as you're stringing your beads, you can like drop a color in here and put the needle in there and string it with this color. And then if you have another color of beads in here, you drop that on top of there, you know, just to keep switching out if you want to have multiple colored beads on your string. Now, these little tiny beads, now mind you, this is my very first time ever doing anything like this. So I'm hoping this thread, and this is what I got. You'll see people using clear thread. I heard that Aunt Lydia's crochet thread is really great for making waist beads. And I didn't get black and I didn't get white. I love this multicolor, so I said, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see these colors, but I wanted to get this. So I got that. But in this box came all of these beads. Like, these are green beads and orange beads and purple beads, lime green beads, black beads, red beads, pink beads, silver beads. There's even some gold beads around here. All these yellow beads, like a purplish maroonish color bead, this pretty pastel like blue bead, white beads. I said black beads, didn't I? Oh, deep purple beads. And it also came with some lobster clasps and the little circle that you clasp the clasps on to hold it. And it came with 3 different kinds of threading, which is this clear thread here, a little bit thicker of a thread here, and one is even more thicker here. And I'm not going to use those because I want to use the Lydia crochet thread because I keep hearing, I was hearing that it was great. This also came inside of this box, and these are the hook needles to use to actually thread the beads onto the string. I've already measured my waist, the thread that I need for my waist. But this kit comes with 3 of these needles. I'm only going to be using 1, of course. It's supposed to be 3. It's only 2 in there, so maybe it said 2. That's for easier threading and picking up the beads to put on your thread. Okay. Also, I bought these beads. These beads were just extra beads that I saw on Amazon, and they're like multicolored, and I thought those were pretty cool. So I know I'm going to make several waist beads, but I'll be happy just to get this one accomplished. Oh, here's the gold ones in my hand. Gold beads. So I've already measured my string. This is it. I don't know how long that is. Okay, so that's the hook at that end. Oh, I see. Okay, so this needle, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little hole right here, like what you would thread through here, the string through this end. It's like a little loop. And okay, so I'm guessing I would take this and thread through here, and I have to take my glasses off to do this because I can't see with the glasses on up close. It's crazy. Okay, so I threaded it through there. You see it's through there. And okay, and I know that when people are using, and I've already took one of the rings that's going to the lobster clasp is going to hook on. I already put that on this end, and I tied it like 3 times. And when I measured my waist, I didn't measure exactly with the string here. I didn't measure exactly my circumference. I gave like maybe maybe an inch on both sides, more on both sides of the string, just so that I could have room enough to tie it, you know. So this on this end is where the little silver piece is. I don't know if you can see that. And so now that I've strung this through here, I'm going to set it to the side. Now, mind you, this is just a learning experience for me. So I'm trying. I have this bowl because I saw a young lady who has a spinner on YouTube here, and she puts hers inside of a bowl because she said beads will fly out. This is a tray which I'm going to fill with beads. I'm going to fill this bowl with one color, this with another color, and I think I'm probably going to do 3 colors. So I'll fill this with the 3rd color. And so I think I want to do, so maybe I'll do like a yellow, maybe something like this yellow, green, and white. I think that's not enough in there though. So maybe I should do maybe white in another color. Well, let's experiment and see how this goes. Okay guys, so let me go ahead and jump on and try to do this. They said face it towards you and just spin. So let's see if I pick up, well, counterclockwise. That's counterclockwise, right? So let's see if it'll pick up any beads for me. It didn't pick up not one bead. Let me try again. See, it's hanging on the hook there. Let's try it this way. I don't know, I feel like I'm doing something wrong. I picked up one bead. Well, let's take this one bead and see if it'll go down over this string. because it needs to be able to go down over the string. I just got to figure out how to make this this thing work here. Okay, look, I have some beads. Okay, I'm excited. I'm excited. And you just pull them down over the string like that. Ta-da! My little accomplishment. So I'm going to keep going. Let's see, how much did I pick up? I picked up some more. I guess it takes some getting used to, because I'm not picking up a whole bunch. So let's try again. I don't know. Oh, look, I picked up a little bit more. So these are going to be some pretty small waist beads. How tiny that is. And that's okay, because this is my first, and this will be great practice for me. I don't know if I'm supposed to spin it faster. Got done so far. Oh, let's switch colors now. So instead of taking all of these beads out of here, all I have to do is spin in. See how I just took that bowl, this clear bowl, and just dropped the green right on top. Not even having to remove the white bowl, the white one. And now I have a couple of green on there. Okay, everyone, and I'm back. This is what I got so far. And I think I've found my groove with this thing. You know what I did? I put all those colors together in one bowl, and the more in the bowl made it much better. Like right on the edge. Like if I rest my finger here and I rest this on the edge and just spin, it just starts picking up beads. Gotta be careful, because when you're lifting them up, some will fall off. See, I got more on there. That's more than what you've seen, right? Look like I got double beads here. Okay, some are like stuck to other beads, but I'm not even dragging them all the way down just yet. I'm getting just enough on there to then drag them down. Look at all of those. Yeah. So now I'm going to take it and slide some down. I'm done. I just need to get this other side of this thread pulled back through here again from between those beads, and I got it. On this part, I'm just threading the lobster clasp. I didn't feel the need to have you look at all that. I'm just putting the string through the hole and tying it, a couple of times, but I'm pretty excited that I got this completed. It took me a long time just to do this one, because a lot of it, you just don't know. I edited a lot of it out because there was so much trial and error, but I'm super excited that I accomplished this small goal and I got my first waist beads. Again, I'm sorry that I did not film it overhead. Well, all right, so there you have it. How to make your own waist beads. Now, if I can do it, you can do it. So listen, guys, I ended up making 5 waist beads, okay, after I got off of the camera, and I just kept, I could have went all night. God, I'm so encouraged. So listen, I don't know whether or not you're into this. I certainly was a long time ago, but it was, you know, like I said, it was people who had all these negative things to say about waist beads, and you know, the different connections to it. And then I, you know, getting the information about the positive things about waist beads and what you can wear them for or whatever. So certainly I dove right in, and at this age I'm going to be wearing waist beads. I'm going to be wearing them to measure my waistline. I'm going to be wearing them for fashion. I'm going to be wearing them for my husband. You know what I'm saying? So look, if I can make them, you can. Let me show you the ones I've made. I made 5. So I have these 3. The yellow one that you saw in the video, the first one that I was making, a yellow and green one, that's downstairs in my bedroom, and my husband is asleep, so I don't want to disturb him trying to get waist beads. But this right here is so beautiful. I absolutely love it. Oh my God, I love it. And then I have this purple one. So pretty. I love that color that I made. It's thinner. And they're all made with the lobster clasp so that I can take them on and off. And this one I'll probably just be keeping on. This one is made with the elastic stretch, not just with the yarn, the thread, yarn thread that I used. I made this one elastic because this one is going to be the one that I wrap around my waistline to measure how many inches I'm actually dropping. So I need this one to be able to stretch in case I eat too much and be bloated like I am right now. And then when I'm not bloated, you know, so it'll measure just right. And then as I lose more inches, it'll drop down. Okay, so these are mine. I have 2 more. Like I said, the first one you saw me, the yellow and green one that I was making. Then I have another one that that one is more, I think, on blues, I want to say, but it's cute, and I have like silver trinkets hanging around it or whatever. But these are they. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and put in the comments, do you wear waist beads? How old are you? Because I had a thing about age when I was thinking about it just recently about getting them. And then, you know, but the more comments and videos I saw, and women in the comments who are like in their 60s that are loving their waist beads, and they wear them because it's their culture. And then there's women that it's not even something that they grew up with, but they wear them because they just love them, and they're my age or greater. So I'm like, okay, well, that's an encouragement. Let me go ahead and make me some waist beads and throw mine on, because like I said, I think they're absolutely adorable. And when I had on my unmentionables and I tried them on, I was like, oh yeah, he's gonna love this. He's gonna really like these. Listen, you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.